Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your username on Snapchat. So I'm just going to go to my profile and go to settings on the top right corner. And then I am just going to go to username. Here I can change my username, but my username can only be changed once a year, so make sure that's the username you want. So I'm just going to press continue. Then I'm just going to write down the username I want, and as you can see, this username is free. I'm going to press next, and I'm just going to type in my password, so I'll be right back. Then after that, you are just going to press confirm. And then you are just going to press continue, and that means you have changed your username. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!